Welcome back. Let's talk about markets now. Last week on Monday, it was a Black Monday, and it's turning out to be a terrible Tuesday as far as the equity markets are concerned. And this is not just what's happening in India, but the global equity markets are also seeing a lot of selling pressure. And selling pressure, in fact, has been just intensifying continuously. So currently, you've got Sensex, which is lower by about 600 odd points. It opened much higher. It has been around that level of 25,932. It has fallen sharply. In fact, it's down about 2.29% as we speak right now. Nifty too has also lost considerably. Nifty, in fact, has been trading around the level of 7,800 now. It has even breached that level, and it is down about a little over 2%. 200-point drop we've seen coming into Nifty as well, and that is something that's telling us how much of selling pressure we are seeing as far as the markets currently are concerned. So there you have it on the screen, about 200 points lower. It also opened higher. A sharp fall came in immediately, and a sharp fall came in around this time. Now, if you talk about that time in particular, then a lot has been happening globally, and within India on the Lal Street, we are seeing banking sector really leading this kind of a fall that we are seeing today. So look at the kind of cuts that have come in. Oriental Bank of Commerce down about 7%, Punjab and National Bank 7% lower, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank all seeing sharp losses. A lot of reasons here, what people are really attributing this to, we'll tell you about that as well. But look at Bank Nifty, about 3.86% lower. There are some domestic reasons of why markets are falling, but there are many global reasons as well. So why are markets falling? We've got weak economic data from China, manufacturing and services PMI data. It is indicating that the slowdown in Chinese economy is continuing, and the Chinese slowdown is not showing any signs of any slowing down. In fact, last week we did see some bit of stability back into the market, so the perception was probably things are all good in China now. Things are looking, have started looking good, but that's not the case clearly. Not just India, all Asian markets are under tremendous pressure at this point in time. And if you talk about the Indian factors, or rather the domestic factors at this point in time, then the GDP data that came out yesterday at 7%, that also was below estimate. So that's also leading to some bit of weakness. A quick look at how the European markets are trading at this point in time, if you could just get that, because that is where, all this weakness is really coming in from. You've got CAC 40, which opened lower, about 1% lower, and FTSE 100 also about 2% lower. So this has even extended the losses. European markets are trading right now, so they are adding to the pressure that the Indian equity markets are feeling. 2.5% lower, that's CAC 40 for you. So these are the European markets which are trading right now. Asian markets, meanwhile, have closed in the red, deep in the red as well.